guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So this is part 2 of day 1, and once we landed in Stockholm, we booked a Flix bus which will take us to the city center where our hotel was located. So you can go to the app and you can search for a nearby bus station to your hotel, and it costed us about €7 per person. It took us about 30 minutes to reach the city center, and we were staying at Ibis Styles in Odenplan. The bus stop was about 12 minutes away from our hotel and we had to walk, but once we reached, we just took a minute to take the whole vibe of the city and look at those fall colors. So the worst part about any Europe trip is, and people will agree with me, that we have to carry our own luggages and roll them down the cobblestone streets. And finally we made it to our hotel. This is our lobby, and we checked in quickly into our rooms and headed out to see what the city had to offer. And right outside our hotel was this beautiful looking church. This was Gustav Vasa Church. And by the time we started from the hotel, it was already too late to visit any museum, so we decided to walk and explore the place. Stockholm as a city is very aesthetic with cute cafes and restaurants and thrift stores and whatnot, and the buildings were even more beautiful and gave the whole European vibe. And soon after sundown, the whole city lit up very beautifully, and we were very hungry at this point and wanted to have some food. So we decided to go to a food hall. This was an international food hall. So there were a lot of food like cheese, meat, spices, you name it. And there were a lot of different stalls as well. So we decided to go with this shawarma with some fries, and this chili was the best. And then we headed out and explored some more. And soon we reached Stockholm Central, and this was the best part of the city. I mean, look at the lights, and people were also chilling about with their friends, and it was a whole vibe. And after walking so much, we were very tired and decided to go back to our hotel because we have been traveling the whole day. So with that, this vlog comes to an end, and this was end of day 1. Stay tuned for the next parts and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.